crafty friends, my name is Claudine from Les Trouvailles de Claudine. Today I'm displaying something I would like to show and do a mini tutorial online, and also I would like to teach it in person in a neighborhood. So if you'd like, let me present you what I would do. Alors, this is a mini picture frame. Well, mini. Let me tell you how much inches. It's a 6x6 picture frame. You learn to emboss, and you do learn to stamp, and also to do some collage with the real coquillage, seashells, and the ones you do stamping and die cutting, and some die cutting, and you play with inks, and that's the picture frame. That would be the first project, and then the second one would be the little notebook. The little notebook is again stamping and die cutting and collage, and adding some ribbon, and you have a little trick to how to prepare an insert for your pen. And it's a little notebook. You could put it in a bag, you can add in a magnet and put it on the fridge. So that would be the two pieces for one workshop, one online class. I think, yes, I would. So let me know if you'd like me to prepare a little tutorial, and if so, do a thumbs up, and please comment and let me know if you would like it in French or English. Thank you so much. And if I do it in person, just follow me on my Facebook, Les Trouvailles de Claudine, and you will see a publication that will say when and where I will be teaching it. Thank you. Bye-bye.